Hey guys, Kyle here, and I'm Iowa's photographer. Now today we're entering day 3 of a week-long challenge I'm having with my niece and nephew, where we create one piece of content a day for YouTube. When trying to come up with today's video idea, it dawned on me, since yesterday I focused on Iowa farmland, today I'm going to be focusing on Iowa farm animals. And that's why I'm here at Hercules Haven in Springville, Iowa. Hercules Haven is an animal sanctuary here in Iowa that's doing remarkable things. And if you'd like to learn more about them or donate to their Patreon, I've left links in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, I've been Kyle, and I am Iowa's photographer.